All right, so here is my video, or one of my videos for environmental tools. So I'm going to do the stuff related to lightning and storms in this video, and then I'll do the other ones. So there's a lot of different lightning detectors out there. We have this one, which is kind of large, and they also have smaller ones, which kind of look like a pager. Gosh, pagers are way before your guys' times. And so you'll kind of have to learn how to use each one, but I'll show you how to use one. So the big one, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you turn it on. Woo! And then see where it says select range. You want to make sure that you pick the proper range. So according to the NAT position statement, you should always start to seek shelter at 10 miles, and then shelter should be obtained by 6. So if we kind of look at our ranges here, if we want 10, we're going to have to set it to that 8 to 20. And so we just hit that button. Oh, and it's already selected, so you just keep hitting it. You want to change it, right? Okay, so it's on that. And then you want to make sure you go down and the tone's selected, because then it will, when it gets in that range, it'll actually beep and make a noise. So you're like, oh, it's in that range. So it's going to tell you when it's an 8 to 20, but you really have to wait till 10. So, you might want to find a lightning detector that has a different range that's more specific, but that's how that one works. And they're all very similar. They're just different interfaces on how that works. Other things that you can use to go ahead and determine when to seek shelter is our flash to bang theory. So with flash to bang, if you're out and a storm's happening, when you see the first flash, the lightning, you start counting 1, 2, 3, and then you wait for the bang, which is thunder, and you stop counting when you hear the bang. You take that number, you divide it by 5, and that tells you how many miles away the storm is. So if we're supposed to start seeking shelter at 10 miles, that means if you count to 50, you need to start to seek shelter, and then obtain it by 6. And then if you're caught in a storm and you can't seek shelter, you kind of need to know what to do, right? So if you're caught in a storm and you can't seek shelter, you need to stay away from tall objects, stay away from metal, stay away from water, all right? And you should stay at least 15 feet away from other people or other things, all right? And then if you are stuck, then you need to curl up in a ball and stand on your tiptoes and get on the ground, which I believe you guys learned about in principles. So that's the protocol if you're caught in a storm and you can't seek shelter. And that's pretty much it for our lightning and storm stuff. Awesome.